Congratulations, graduate.
Thank you, Mom.
Not only me, everybody.
iPhone.
Or wanna check it. Check your iPhone.
I wish Mama buy me iPhone 12 too.
Yeah, that's it.
Tambay na raw, check mo raw. Ito na, check mo ito na.
It's 12?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, I have only 11. Look,
Wow.
check this one. Check the code here.
Rhona's got the most recent. All right, let's get out of here.
Yeah, let's go.
Other people are waiting.
Alright, Rhona. What did you do?
Yeah, did you see the code is the
Just
same?
make
Oh,
sure it's the
code is-
same. Yeah, make sure the same code.
Yeah,
Code
the
on
same.
the receipt.
Yeah. What color is that? What color is that? What color?
Black.
They said black. Yay, talo pa.
Oh, what did you say?
Oh, David, hug David. Everybody have that. And Kuya Jeff na no.
Yeah.
I have contribution.
Oh, contribution. Just Ate Jessie over there. Say thank you. Yan ang Ivy mo. All contribute for your... Ito. Hug muna silang dalawa. Miljan pa. Miljan pa. Nagtauman si Miljan, oy. Dali. Ano na? Nagtauman si Miljan.
Alright, let's
Okay, let's go.
into the beach.
Hanggang to the beach.
And to the beach.
Nag-shopping. Kadakol ay. Ano man ninyo binakal? Kadakol ay. Mga pasalubong. Ang pasalubong. Philippines. Wow, sana all. Sana all. Yehey. Baliktad Baliktad man. Yan na, si graduate girl. Naka-iPhone na. Buksin na nga yan. Hindi magpa-thank you ang mga nanao.
Salamat. Nagsalamat na.
Sino ang paliway-luway to? Sino pa? She smell it.
What?
Ooh, benta.
Dark blue.
Gayun. Anong kulay?
What's the? Is that the back or the front?
Pacific
That's
blue
the-
at the back.
That's the back.
Oh.
That's the back.
Yeah.
Oh, it's black.
I thought it's
Is it
black or
is it
blue? Looks
Blue.
like a blue.
Yeah, it's blue.
No, it's black.
It's
What are you
blue.
talking- Oh, it is.
It
blue.
is.
Oh,
Meron
maybe
na,
it
meron
is. I guess it is.
Yeah.
Ay!
Uy!
Nakakawag pag-una. Oh, pwede na. Oh.
Pa-box siya.
Pa-box.
I think it's just.
Oh,
it looks
open this one.
bluish. I think it's black, but it looks bluish in the light, like the gleam of it. Oh, there it is.
Nice.
Ooh.
Get your fork out.
Ooh.
You only got
Malinam
scratch. Get your fork out.
Uy, dapat na protector. Dapat protector.
Yeah, you don't have.
How about
one
the
yet.
charger? Turn on. It will open. Turn on. There's still battery.
Yeah, there's supposed to be a little bit of life
Yeah,
in it
just
when you first get it. There you
Nice
go.
the charger. Oh.
Ooh.
Hindi siya fake. Totoo siya.
They say when it turns on right away, it's got only half the battery life.
And it's cash.
Gosh.
Cash.
Hello.
So it means
How are you?
Remove the. Oh, I thought they didn't remove the setup for
no, but it
English.
means it's unlocked.
It's unlocked. Yeah, because I bought it from Costco.
Because she's gonna
Yeah, so it's unlocked. She can use any kind of service.
Yeah, any kind of
Fido.
plan. Just buy it.
Ah.
Get the SIM card. They'll put a SIM card in it.
Oh, hello. Sit up muna. You should back up all the information from your old phone. So it will transfer automatically through iCloud. What is this?
Wait daw.
Kiana, maligaya na. Tupad,
graduation and
tupad
birthday.
pangarap.
Thank you, everyone.
Looks, where's the receipt? How much all in all?
How much?
There you go. The receipt is here. Costco. Oh, hindi na yun. Hindi man kang electric pa na diya. O, kaptira ba diya? Okay. May I see? So, hold it, hold it. Oh, see, maliit. Malutong-lutong na total of 1,265 and 59 cents from Costco. Para mo na. Maligaya na si si Madam.
And charger nga pa.
Ano yung ano to?
Wala pa yung heads.
Oh, bumili ka na lang ng heads. Ito. Anong laman nito? Wala.
Wala.
Oh, just the box.
Lag.
Amo na. Maligaya na po si Madam. Ganyan pag mabait na bata. Naririgaluhan. Mag-ambag-ambag lahat. Yan. Meron na siyang ano. Okay. Thanks for watching. Advertise na rin. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to
Don't forget to like and share and subscribe.